Cubs game is already on a delay. It looks like this one is for Wrigley Field.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 8:45 p.m. At 8:19 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Melrose Park to Stickney to Alsip, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Evanston, Skokie, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Port Wynne, Oak Park, Park Ridge, Wilmette, Maywood, Blue Island, Morton Grove, Alsip, Brookfield, Franklin Park, Westchester, LaGrange, and Midlothian, including the following interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers 278 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 353 and 358. Interstate 88 near mile marker 140. Interstate 94 between mile markers 37 and 67. Interstate 290 near mile marker 14 and between mile markers 16 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 37 and 67. This includes Brookfield to Lincoln Park to Loyola University, Toyota Park, Triton College, University of Chicago, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Hawthorne Park, Moraine Valley Community College, Northeastern Illinois University, Northwestern University, Soldier Field, University of Illinois Chicago, A Cellular Field, Illinois Institute of Technology, Wrigley Field, The Loop, Museum of Science and Industry, Museum Campus, and Northerly Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. for northeastern Illinois.